Welcome back to another lesson in our Business English Success Series, One Expression at a Time. Today we're tackling a phrase that's great for discussions and decision making: to play the devil's advocate. This expression is about challenging ideas or arguments, often by presenting an opposing perspective, even if you don't personally agree with it. It's a great way to test the strength of ideas and ensure thorough consideration of all options. Let's explore its meaning, origins, and practical applications in business English. The phrase "to play the devil's advocate" originates from a practice in the Catholic Church. The Catholic Church is known for its saints, people who were recognized as having an exceptional degree of holiness, likeness, and closeness to God. During the process of declaring someone a saint, a person was appointed to argue against the candidate's sainthood. So there was one man arguing why this person should not become a saint. This person was called the devil's advocate, and their role was to ensure every detail was fully analyzed to make sure that the person chosen to be a saint was truly worthy of the title. Today, this phrase is used more broadly to describe someone who questions or debates ideas, often to improve them. In the workplace, playing the devil's advocate means challenging a proposal, suggesting alternative strategies, or pointing out potential flaws in a plan. Here are some scenarios where you might use this phrase. Number 1, in a team meeting. Let's play the devil's advocate here. What if this approach doesn't work? Number 2, when brainstorming ideas. I play the devil's advocate for a moment. Have you considered the risks involved? Number 3, during a presentation. To play the devil's advocate, what happens if the market conditions change? In a one-on-one discussion, I appreciate your idea, but let me play the devil's advocate to explore other possibilities. When making a decision, before we move forward, let's play the devil's advocate and think about potential challenges. Now let's dive into some cultural references. To play the devil's advocate is a common concept in debate, critical thinking exercises, and strategic planning. In business, it's often associated with leaders and team members who aren't afraid to ask the tough questions and challenge the status quo. It's seen as a valuable skill of encouraging innovation and avoiding groupthink. Let's practice using this phrase in a sentence. Repeat after me. Let me play the devil's advocate and suggest a different perspective. I value your input, but I play the devil's advocate to explore all options. Playing the devil's advocate can help us identify potential risks. What if I play the devil's advocate and challenge this idea? By playing devil's advocate, we can strengthen our proposal. Now think about how you can apply this expression to your professional life. For example, in a team meeting, you might say, I'd like to play the devil's advocate here and consider another approach. Or in a conversation with a colleague, you could say, playing the devil's advocate at this moment, do you think this idea has any drawbacks? Remember, this phrase is most effective in contexts where critical thinking and debate are valued. So use it to challenge ideas constructively, not to discourage them. To play the devil's advocate is a powerful tool for ensuring that decisions are well informed and ideas are fully explored. So how would you play the devil's advocate this week? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and let's continue learning and growing together, one expression at a time.